is the largest unclassified exercise in the DoD. This year, we have every branch represented except for the United States Marine Corps. We even have a few folks from Space Force that snuck in and are part of our red team.
When we're planning for CyberShield, there's multiple planning conferences that our staff travel for in preparation for the exercise. At these planning conferences, we focus on the tasks at hand that each staff is responsible for in their planning preparations for CyberShield.
Our red team executes about 3 times as many measles over the set of a week, right? So we're about 52 different actions that happen over the period of a week, 3 different threat actors, and each day we're able to complete what would be an entire campaign in any other exercise, and then completely outbrief what happened to the blue teams, let them level up a little bit, and then change tactics and emulate another group the next day and outbrief again. And that flow is just the best thing that I've ever seen at any exercise.
Seeing all the planning come together, all the people actually here on ground, making sure that their rooms were coordinated properly, all the classroom space, seeing it actually in play is very rewarding.
You should be sending your Security Operations Center manager to participate in CyberShield, and the lessons learned from CyberShield, those should be communicated to every corporate board out there so that they understand both the threat and the solution.